How's it going, guys? Fishing with Ivan here. I am back on my favorite fishing spot, and we're gonna fish for some trout, hopefully limit out. All right, boys, we're on. There you go. First one of the day. I'm telling you guys, put those tube jigs on. Yeah, I let it sink. I count to 10 seconds and I let it sink. It's
I'm David at the same pool.
yeah.
It's a different reel you have.
Mm-hmm.
Pick up bugs out here. I just realized. Mosquitoes.
Damn, I hooked it in the corner of the mouth. I can basically release it, but I'm gonna keep it. First fish, always want to be a keep. That's the tube I'm using.
Oh, those tubes.
Yeah, you want one?
Not expensive, yeah.
I'll get you one. Yeah, let me keep this sucker alive for a little bit. What, who, that guy?
Over here, there's a dead trout right over.
Oh.
The net. Where is it?
Right there. You're just gonna pull it up.
By the time you come around here and get the net.
That's a fatty, bro.
That's not solid. Trying to take it off with 14-inch.
It's a solid 13.
Yeah.
It's good.
Thank you, bro.
You get like 4 more of these.
Yeah, fucking just
You got some good fillets.
right on the same spot, bro. I could catch him in like 30 minutes.
Heck yeah. Nicely done.
Bro, as soon as I felt it, you know why? Because I would go like this. I barely took it, and then I was like, all right, I'm gonna go for it. I went, take
Yeah.
it harder than I thought it about.
Heck
Just
yeah.
really fast enough. Oh, yep. Oh, it's a big one. A big. Oh, yep. Baby, get the net. Good. By the time I already yelled it, bro, look how I hooked it. Nice. Barely in the lip. Yeah, this one's kind of small though. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
No, man.
Bro, this one is the best one.
How big is your leader for your power bait? What do you have?
Bro, already? I didn't even know there was a fish on. What kind of rip? mean, yeah, this is my biggest one. Huh? I could give you one of you. Look, I have an extension leader. Yeah, look at you. One of these things. You just put it on the swivel and that's it. I could give you one if you want. It's already pre-made.
Oh, yeah, I'll take it.
Let's go over here.
So here's what we're gonna try out. Just the power bait. About a 12-inch leader with the small little weight. So it seems to be working the best. Fish on, boys. David, you're doing something wrong, David. I'm not even gonna go to the tube jig maybe. I don't have time to even throw the tube jig. They're already biting. Oh, that's a nice fatty actually, damn.
He put up higher so you can feel the.
There you go. Yeah, let's go. Nice one, Dave. Hell yeah.
Hey, bring me the pliers real quick.
I have pliers. No, the fish. Nice. Good one, bro. Nice. Another one. Nice. Nah, oh, that's a decent size, bro. Nice, that's a fatty. That's a fatty. That's your last one? Dang, dude. That was quick. It's like an hour. And we already got a limit. Wow, they don't. Oh, okay, now it's fighting. I'm like, they don't look like they fight a lot once you reel them
I
in.
don't know why. Like every fish, they're like fighting hard.
You got the big ones today, bro.
They're like what, 12 or
These are pan size, but it's better than nothing. I'll take everything I can get. 3, 2 more. Hey, that's fine with me.
If you want to use this ringer, I'll just put it right here so you can keep track of it.
Ah. Fish on, baby. It's a fighter and a jig. Oh, they're only biting on power bait. Nah, jig. No, it's a shark. No, this is Patrick. Oh, it came off. I might let this one go. Hey, I let this guy go and he's just chilling right here. Oh no, there he goes. Yeah, because I was getting bit on this rod. Because it's too easy, dude. I want big ones at this point. Ooh, I got one. It was on the whole time. Yeah. I doubled. It turns out I had a double the whole time. I didn't know it. This guy was probably just sitting there. He's like, you gonna reel me in or what, bro? It's another small one. I'll probably let, oh, he swallowed the hook. Probably have to keep him. Oh, dang it. You're free to go, buddy. There he goes, another one. He swam away. He's sticking around right here. I can keep him. He decided to stay. Nah. Yeah. Look, he's just chilling right here. I can always just pick him up if I need to. Vitaly. He's literally right here.
Get bit? Yeah, you are. Wait, wait. Go, 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 go. Yeah, you got it. That's a big one. Take your time. Oh, that's a nice one. Tensioning up. I can see how tight it is, bro. Now just release. Yeah, go, 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 go.
No. Wait, Dave. Wait. Reel it, Dave. Reel it slowly, Dave. Reel it slow. Slow. And if you feel it like tung.
Yeah, go, 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 go.
Go. There you go. Nice. You got it. You got it. That's on. That's a fish on. Oh, dude, we're doubling up, Dave. Oh my God, bro, we're slaying them, dude. Yeah, we just doubled, bro. We just doubled. Oh, that's a big one. This is my biggest one of the day, I think. No, he's still a small one. Hey, David, how many do you have? Should I let him go? No, he's actually pretty decent. But that would be my last one. I'll let him recuperate. Should I let mine go? He's alive. There he goes. Swimming away. Bye. Oh, look at him.
Bro, I'm so glad I let David keep one of my fish.
Well, I'm gonna catch my last one right here. I just want it to be a bigger one, dude. Where did you throw? Where were yours throws?
Right here, all.
Huh?
I was just willing to get my hand in this rock. So they just cast it right here, right in this boiling part. Like, right there. So it was like, they're like the water like kind of looks like boiling.
Mm-hmm.
Like, threw it out.
So I'm just gonna throw it out there then from here, and then just hope for the.
That's where I caught all my fish basically today. All of them just right in front of me, right here. Every time I just went.
Watch out, Dave.
Oh, you see that jump?
Yeah.
That fish just jumped right there in the boiling part. Yeah. All of this here, like 20-foot babies. None of them gonna catch any of this left.
Watch out. Let me just put it up again. Well, I mean, because the current's gonna take it anyway, so. Yeah. Well, because I throw it in. Oh, look, I'm already getting bit, bro. What the heck? No, it's already on there, dude.
Yeah, it's on there.
I'm pretty sure. I'll give it some time.
That's just stuck.
Could be. See, Dave? Look, I reel slowly, and then I'm feeling for it. Like I'm reeling it so I can tighten. Oh, see it? There's a baby one.
David, look right there. You see a jump? Oh, you don't even see it.
I'm gonna whack David in the face right here. I'll be like, it's a monster. No, I didn't take it, dude.
Really? Remember last time how you said that and then it was on? This is probably small. Like,
No, they're small, dude. They're all small. They're just.
in the morning they were big.
Yeah. There's baby ones there though. All the big ones I ever caught were in this pool right here. All there, it's like it's fast and it's shallow and.
Remember how we ignored that rock
Yeah.
in that open spot?
Yeah, but we were catching babies, dude. We didn't get a single big one. It's a deep pool there, but I think I'm snagged.
Yeah, because bro, the trout will live here for years and they'll just grow and grow and grow. Nothing? Oh, yeah, you're on.
Ah, I'm disappointed.
Came off.
No,
Small.
I didn't think there would be a fish on there.
I told you.
Dang it.
I could just tell.
I'm kind of disappointed. I was hoping that would be.
A monster one.
That's a decent sized one, actually. I'll keep this one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah, that'll be my last one. There you go. That's it.
That's actually a good size.
Let's get
Good chubby little one. Is that your biggest one?
That's my biggest one actually. You're right. You're gonna catch a monster. You said I catch my biggest fish. It's not a monster, but
It's not a monster.
I'll take it. Hey, dude, it's better
the
than
belly
nothing.
is like fat.
No, he does have a fat
I only
belly.
have one like that too, where the belly's fat. All the other ones are like thinner bellies. I'm so happy.
Nah, dude, I'm really happy. We just limited. We just got 15 fish, guys. Oh, and he swallowed this thing. Oh, he was on the whole time, bro. He was just chilling
that's like
there.
Mine. That's literally the same size as mine. Look, that's literally the same exact one like mine.
Oh, see the hook?
This is maybe even bigger.
I can even take it out and release him, honestly.
This is bigger, honestly. Yours is bigger.
I see the hook. He's actually not
Split your mouth
that
from one of
big.
your other ones.
No, because they're all dead. Oh, see, look, I got the hook out. There you go. That was easy. When you're taking the hook out, Dave, you gotta
Hold this belly. Let's hit the keys.
No, it's just.
I'm not gonna take them out the net.
Hold on, I got my freaking hook in there. Dude, chillax, dude. I hate this net. I wish I had a rubber net.
Just put tension on it. I need to grab your plier.
Oh no, I got it. There you go.
Still big.
Oh, it's tied to me.
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's my biggest one, I'd say.
That's fat. Here you go.
Nice.
Release him if you want it.
Nah, dude, I'll keep him. That's my biggest one. I'm
You
not.
don't have a bigger one than that.
Nope.
No, that wasn't his. It just came out of nowhere.
It was floating there, and then it's the current brings it here. I mean, somebody released it and it could have died, and now it's at the. Oh yeah, this is my biggest one. This is chunky.
Compare him to the other ones.
Oh no, I can tell because my whole hand has
Yeah,
to
this is what I was saying.
grip around his.
That one's fatter than mine even. That's good. Look, pick it up and like compare the sizes. Yeah, bro, that thing is.
That is the thickest one. Nice. There you go. There's our 5.
Good soup on him, yeah?
Here's the big one. Ah!
Nice.
There you go. That's a good
I wish
string.
David caught a fatty one. Next time, for sure, you're gonna catch one. Because they're gonna grow even bigger in like 2 months.
Oh yeah, if we come back in September, dude, they're gonna be like
Like
14,
20.
16 inches. That's why I let go of the small ones because like
do it.
if you can let him go.
Yeah, just,
Oh, he's bleeding out already, so he's done.
that's good. That's what you think.
Let's see.
That's like this optimal form.
No, this is a
Could be
good.
like 18.
No, it's like 15,
15?
14, 15. Yeah, because these are like 12. So these are nice. You got
Measure it up.
a good variety, dude.
Thanks.
Hell yeah. Well, I think I'm snagged in there. Let's see yours, Dave. Mr. Long.
That's good. They just look awesome nice. Throw all 12s up.
Heck yeah. Hey, it's a limit.
Just 2 are like right here. That one and the other one. But all the rest are good, decent sizes.
Heck yeah. Look at this. 5, 5. And then these are my 5. And this is my biggest one. Not as big as my buddies, but hey, a limit's a limit. All right, let's go cook. All right, well, that's gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen. We caught 15 fish total. It was an awesome day. We all limited out. The biggest fish measured out to be about 15 inches, like 14 and a half. An average size was about 12 inches, basically a foot. So it was a good day. We had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.